Fan collectors, today I'd like to show you my white and polished brass Hunter Infiniti series from April of 1993. And this is not my first one like this. I do have another one which is from April of 1995, which is downrod mounted, not flush mounted like this one. And it has a Hunter Spotlight kit on it. And I got this at the Columbus Habitat for Humanity restore when I was on a mission with a fellow ceiling fan collector, and that's where we found the ornate 1895 you see over yonder. And you saw that in another video, but anyway, we shall focus on this Hunter ceiling fan. And it's in really excellent condition too. I mean, look at it. Might have a few spots, but it's been well maintained. It's got high gloss blades, 5 of them, and it's white. There is no washed oak on this one for those who were curious. And it came with the Hunter low profile light kit, the signature one with the stepped glass on it. And I'll turn the light on for you. Puts out a great deal of light. It's 2 bulb, and it really illuminates the fan well, and the light I like how the light just bounces off the blades. That's what you get with high gloss blades, my friends. And this is a rather rare combination for the Hunter Infiniti series. And if you notice how the sideband is brass, unlike the faceplate, well, that's reminiscent of most Fasco ceiling fans. They had that style. I think this is when Hunter went transitional to make their fans more contemporary, and like in the early 90s they came out with the Infiniti, and it was all throughout the 90s up until like the year 2000 when they ceased production. Correct me if I'm wrong. And I do have a couple other Infinitis I will show in other videos. Enough digressing. Let's rev the fan up. First on low. Medium. Puts out a great deal of air on medium. And if it's cranking out a lot of air on medium, let's see how much she cranks out on high, shall we? Wow. This ceiling fan is super effective. And it's direct drive spinner motor. That's saying a lot. Sorry for the glare of light. It's really cranking out some air. But I think we'll power down now. I like how the combo, the fan light combo, suits this fan really well. Very, very becoming on the ceiling fan. I have a soft spot in my heart for these Hunter Infiniti series, and it's a childhood fan of mine, believe it or not. They were sold at Sears, Heckinger, Builder Square, even Home Depot sold them. But I think Sears, from my neck of the woods, was the only place that sold them in this finish, and they cost like $140. It has a real long spin down time to it. Bearings must be super great on this fan. It has a longer spin down time than the Hunter Lansdowne off in the distance. Okay, fan has stopped. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.